In our today's discussion on case scenario discussion, we'll be doing case 15, which is on accounting standard 11, effects of changes in foreign exchange rate. Shall we begin? Read the question. Fly Limited, they're flying, made a sale of INR 7 lakhs. Made a sale which is given in INR. They've not given in dollars. Be careful here. INR 7 lakh. To Wings International. Wings International is our debtor, is our customer, to whom we've sold goods. When? In May 2023. And recognized the trade receivables initially recorded at the prevailing exchange rate on the date of sale. That is 79.4 rupees per dollar. In similar to several questions that we've done in the class, they have not given the dollar value straight, they've given rupee value. If they would have given dollar value, we would have multiplied it with 79.4 to find the initial recognition value for sale income as well as trade receivables. But here they've given the rupee value, we need to divide it by 79.4 to find the dollar value. Sir, they've already given rupees. Why should we find the dollar value? There is no problem with sales income. That will be recorded at 7 lakh rupees. But the trade receivables, if it is not received before year end, on the year end, I have to restate the trade receivables to closing rate. To restate it to closing rate, I need to know the dollar value, which is not given in the question. Shall we figure it out? Let's do this. On May 2023, we made sale. So we have debtors or trade receivables. The value is 7 lakh rupees when the exchange rate was 79.4. Please take your cute calculator. 7 lakh divided by 79.4. $8,816.12. It's not paise, it is cents. This will become your foreign currency transactions initial recognition. Continue reading the question further. The company also took a loan in US company for rupees 10 lakh. This 10 lakh rupees loan and that 7 lakh rupees sale are not connected. They are two distinct, diverse transactions. Account for them distinctly and diversely. We've done questions in the past in the class also where there were two distinct transactions. One sale or purchase transaction was there, one SoftBank loan was there, something like that. I'll record. This is happening in December 2023. What have I done? I've taken foreign currency loan. How much is this foreign currency loan for? I'll write loan. Yeah. Have they given rupee value or dollar value? Rupee value, which is 10 lakh. Please don't divide by 79.4. Why? 79.4 is the rate prevailing in May. It will be not the same in December. From May to December, the year will not stay still. Yeah, things keep happening. Exchange rate changes. How much is the rate on that date? In December 23, which is initially recorded the prevailing exchange rate on the date of transaction. I don't know why they start teaching us in the question. They're telling us they've recorded. Don't have to. Just tell me the rate on that date. I know AS11. 81.1. Take 10 lakh and divide by 81.1. Did we arrive at 12,330.46? This is also initial recognition. If it is been settled during the year, settlement difference will go to P&L. If it is not settled, I need to restate not sales. I need to restate trade receivables asset. I need to restate loan liability into closing rate. Difference will have to be taken to P&L. Did you all get this? See what's happening after that. On 31st of March, exchange rate is 83.3. They have not given us any information regarding the fact whether it is paid or not. So obviously it's still outstanding. On 31st of March 2024, I guess. Sorry, 31st of March 2024, I will take my trade receivables and loan at $8,816.12 and $12,330.46. But it will be converted at the closing rate of 83.3. Shall I? Help me computing the closing rate in rupees. 7,34,383. Initially, this asset was recorded at 7 lakh rupees. Asset. Trade receivables is asset. Now it will be restated from 7 lakh to 734,383. There is increase no from 7 lakh to 734,383. There is increase in the value of the asset by 34,383 rupees. Such increase in the value of the asset is to be recorded as exchange gain. So we made 34,383 exchange gain. Further, do 12,330.46 into 83.3. 10,27,127 is the new value of my foreign currency loan. Initially, this foreign currency loan was recorded at 10 lakh. Foreign currency loan is a liability. I had a liability at 10 lakh. Now I am restating that liability of 10 lakh to 10 lakh 27,127. Am I increasing the value or decreasing the value? Increasing the value of the liability from 10 lakh to 10 lakh 27,127. Such increase by 27,127 is exchange loss. What is that? Exchange. So exchange gain 34,383, exchange loss 27,127. We're done with the entire case scenario. I read the entire case and computed everything that they've given. When you see a similar question in the exam, please don't do this. What you would have to do is you see the MCQ questions. When you look at the questions, you will understand what are they asking you and then read the question. But I'll do it differently. Why? Right now, I am not making you become exam ready, but I'm also trying to give you a good conceptual overview, even though we're solving a question for exam. Now let's see MCQ questions. What is the closing balance of trade receivables on 31st of March 2024? Trade receivables was initially recognized at 7 lakh rupees. Now it's been restated to 7 lakh 34,383. Can I say the answer is 734,383, which is option C. They've given approx. Why? This is because if you don't take the decimals here, 0.12, we'll get some 20-30 rupees difference or maybe 100 rupees difference. That's still fine. But we got the exact answer. See the second question. How much is reporting difference, gain or loss, in case of trade receivables? Gain or loss? Gain. How much gain? 34,383 is the exchange gain. Observe here. Do we have an option? Option A, 34,383 exchange gain. Let's see third question. What's there in third question? What will be the closing balance of loan on 31st of March 2024? It will be 10,27,127. Exchange, closing balance of the loan is 10,27,127. 10,27,127. Option B. Come to fourth MCQ. How much is the reporting difference, gain or loss in the case of loan? 27,127 loss. Exchange loss. 27,127. Here what do we have? A, option D. Sorry, not A. A is like not A for apple. It's like Y, Y-E-A-H-H-H-H with one exclamatory sign. We got it. This is how you ace 8 marks in an exam on case scenario based questions.